After a long time, when the State Education Department finally reopened the schools after a long gap, few students have been detected with coronavirus infection. Several students of the primary department of Shishu Bihar school in the capital city have been infected with COVID. Owing to seriousness of the situation, the teaching and learning process of the primary section of school has been stopped till Durga Puja. The primary section of Shishu Bihar Higher Secondary School in the capital city of Agartala has been stopped for the time being. The decision will going to be remaining in effect till Durga Puja. Several students in the primary section of Shishu Bihar High School have reportedly been infected with corona. Some parents have informed the headmaster of the school in this regard, when the SMC committee has also been informed about this. Considering the gravity of the much important situation, an important meeting was held with the SMC committee officials at the school on Wednesday. Thereafter, it has been decided from the meeting that the offline reading and writing of the primary department will remain closed for the time being. From now on, online classes will start instead. However, classes from 6 to 12 standard will remain in force. On the other, the school is being sanitized properly as some primary school students have been infected with coronavirus.
এটা আসলে আমাদের কিছু গার্জিয়ান তরফ থেকে কিছু মেসেজ এসেছে আমাদের কাছে। প্যারেন্টরা এটা জানিয়েছে, ইনফর্ম করেছে এইচএম স্যারকে যে কিছু বাচ্চা নাকি অ্যাফেক্টেড হয়েছে কোভিড পজিটিভ, এবং সেটা এসএমসি মেম্বার থেকেও আমরা পেয়েছি খবরটা। এবং তখন সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমরা কালকে এসএমসি মেম্বার একটা মিটিং আমরা ডাকা হয়েছে স্কুলের মধ্যে, এবং সেই মিটিংয়ের মধ্যে আমাদের সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া হয়েছে যে আজকের থেকে আমাদের অফলাইন সেটা বন্ধ থাকছে প্রাইমারি সেকশনের জন্য। এবং আমরা টেলিফোনিক কনভারসেশন হয়েছে ডাইরেক্টর ম্যামের সঙ্গে, এবং উনি বলেছেন যে প্রাইমারি সেকশনটা বন্ধ করার জন্য।
However, as the news spread that primary students of Shishu Bihar school in the capital city Agartala were infected with COVID-19, the parents of other schools in the state are going through severe panic. Everyone has been urged to be more careful. Bureau Report, Halabol.